Packaged and boxed, these water heaters and barbecue grills are ready for both the domestic market and export. For 18 straight years, Chinese producer Vanward has held the top spot nationwide in terms of gas water heater sales. With 45% of the company's sales going to overseas markets, Vanward has tenaciously continued to grow its international footprint even throughout the height of the epidemic.
Our company has pushed to go abroad, visit customers, explore overseas markets, and take part in trade exhibitions. We took action in the second half of last year. We took part in a commodity fair in Malaysia, and next year we're going to Germany for an HVAC exhibition. This is our strategy moving forward.
Like many of China's exporters, the Foshan-based business has gone through the ups and downs of the last 3 years. And with the country's major easing of COVID-19 measures, export trends are beginning to normalize.
Our oven grills are mainly exported to the U.S., but when you look at when the epidemic started, we had explosive growth. Nobody was going out to eat, so people purchased grills to cook at home. But now this growth rate is leveling off, and we aren't seeing as many fluctuations. It's basically returning to our normal development trend.
Among other factors, weak global demand is affecting international exports and foreign trade overall. For some economists, they're slating the second half of this year as a time frame for a healthier, recovered Chinese economy.
The momentum of the downturning couldn't change quickly, but after the first seasons, from second season to third seasons, the situation and the data will turn to be better scenario. If you want to make competitive, you not just need to have a full establishment of the assembly line, but you also need those supply, or in other words, the supply chain of those high-end manufacturing products. Those are the advantages. I think these advantages will remain comparative in the future.
Given decades of exporting experience, it's no surprise that companies like Vanward continue to land their products in overseas markets. But even though China's total exports saw a near 12% increase in the first 11 months of 2022, it's going to be cautious optimism for exporters across the nation as logistics and industrial chains stabilize in the first few months of the new year.